Hello everyone, this is PyProTech coming back into this channel once again. So last time what did we learn? We learned about if and else statements and comments. So today we will learn about functions. What are functions? So I have already opened a web page for you for more information. You should visit this website like twice or thrice for more documentation and information. So for a programmer, information is really important, and reading, you gotta get used to it. So what is a function? A function is a block of code which only runs when it is called. You can pass data known as parameters into a function. A function can return data as a result. For example, def my function, so this is a function, and print hello from a function is inside this function. But they didn't show any calling. Okay, they did show a calling, but we will learn how to call a function by ourselves. So let's go ahead and delete this. So we deleted it. So let's name a function. Let's say def hello. This is a function, and with the parentheses, so let's do this. Let's do print hello with cap, hello world. So we have a function, but we also have to call it. So what's the function? It's hello. So we have to call it with hello and then parentheses. So to see the output, obviously the output would be it would be hello world, but to see the output, let's go to CMD. Our CMD is open, so my Python refresh.py is on desktop. So I'll do cd desktop. For those people who have it on different directories, you can navigate with the directory, and let's type python refresher.py, and then it prints hello world. So simple. Python fluctuates really well. Let's see, what if we put hello and then hello? What would be the output? So we're calling the function 3 times, and def hello, so print hello world. So this will happen 3 times. This will happen 3 times. So let's see, I'm gonna save this, and then let's go here and then print hello world 3 times. So what happens if I duplicate this? What happens if I have this 3 times? So for Mac users, do Command Shift D, and for Windows users, do Control Shift D. So see, I duplicated it. So what will happen? So for one print hello, for one hello world, it will go in this loop for 3 times, and then for this it will go for 3 times, and for this it will go for 3 times. So let's see the output. Let's see if I'm correct, and boom. So for one it will go 3 times, for this one it will go 3 times, and for the last print hello world it will go for 3 times. So this is how the function really works. Obviously it's not the last thing we will learn today. We will learn today something more amazing, which will enhance our doubts and what Python can give to this environment. So what will happen if I do print hello world and then print let's just say hello dog, and then print hello cat, and then see what happens. And then I do hello, and then let's just duplicate this for making stuff easier, and then we go to Python, we go to CMD, python refresher.py. So it says hello world, hello dog, hello cat. It just prints like 3 times. So now we will learn something new. Let's change this. Let's delete this. So in this parentheses, let's write the string. Okay, and we do print, let's do hello and then with the plus sign we do the string, and we have to call the function, but we have to name a function, so let's put maybe Steve. We put Steve over here, and what would the output be? It would be hello Steve all joined together. Let's see. And then hello Steve all joined together. If you want to have a space over here, let's just do this. And hello Steve, so simple, so easy to understand. If you have any doubts, put something in the comments below. I will surely reply. I'll look for your doubts, and I'll look for your upcoming procedures and experimentations on your programming. So let's try something new again. Let's delete this, and in this parameter we put name and age. We do put name and age, and there could be default values where you put name equals to Steve or age equals to 0 or age equals to 5. We'll get to that in a bit. So we do print, let's say like the last time we did hello, and then we did curly braces, and then you are curly braces years old. Okay, and then we do dot format, and then we do curly braces name and age. Okay, and then we put another bracket over here, and after that we have to call the function. Let's do hello, let's do Steve, Steve, and then let's just say 17. And obviously I did something wrong, and we're calling the function and having Steve and 17 in the parameters. So what would the output be? So hello Steve, you are 17 years old, dot format name age, and let's see. Okay, so it gave an error. Okay, why wouldn't it give an error? I did a mistake, and then see, hello Steve, you are 17 years old. I did a small minor mistake. And if you want to have default values, for default values let's do name equals to Steve, so in quotations Steve, and then age equals to, let's just say 0, age equals to 0. So what would the output be? Obviously the output would be hello Steve 17, because we don't have to put anything in here. If we delete this, then the output would be name equals to Steve, age equals to 0. Told you hello Steve, you're 17 years old. But if we delete this, if we don't have this anything in this parameters, we'll get the desired output, print hello Steve, you are 0 years old. Let's see, hello Steve, you're 0 years old. And now we're gonna learn how to return a function using return. Let's get this print out, and let's delete this bracket. Now we're gonna do return, and let's put this in sentence equals to hello, and then we will write print sentence. So what would the output be? Anyone? Let's go to CMD. CMD will tell us hello Steve, you're 0 years old. And if we put maybe let's say 15, hello Steve, you are 15 years old. So what did we learn today? I mean, this is all about the functions that I could tell you. It's so simple, and this, like what you learned today, will be applicable with big projects, small projects where you could do so much with parallax coding, and I'll have this web page and the link in the description below. So for revision, you guys learned today about how to create a function, giving them a name, giving them parameters. You learned about default values for the parameters, and then you learned about how to returning information back from a function. So this is it for this video. We will learn something in the next video and just a couple of videos to stretch the revision of Python, and then we will learn about projects. So don't sleep and hit the subscribe button, like, share, and comment down what to learn next. I'll surely reply. Thank you. Have a nice day.